Hi, I'm Jane Esselstyn.
I'm Ann Esselstyn.
And she's behind the wheel today.
This happens to be about my favorite dessert because it is so easy, so quick, and there is absolutely no sugar. Ha! So,
But there's great sweetness.
oh, it's so crazy because in it, it's blueberries, frozen blueberries, and those frozen great sweet cherries. So I am starting out with 2 cups of frozen blueberries. They've sort of thawed a little.
Just right in the pie pan?
Right in the pie pan.
Oh, goodness.
And then 2 cups of frozen cherries.
Right in the pie pan?
Right in the pie. Those are mine.
Okay.
And then I just put those in there. Then I'm going to make up a little topping to go on top of them. And it starts out with 2/3 cup of oat flour or any flour. If you want to be perfect, any flour.
What do you mean perfect? What's perfect?
No, nothing's perfect. But then the next thing is
So you can make oat flour or whole wheat flour or whole wheat pastry flour?
I don't, barley flour, I don't think it probably matters.
Corn
And
flour?
then I want to tell you something really important, I think, if you care, about baking powders. This happens to be Hanes Featherweight Baking Powder. And if you look on the back and the ingredients, there is 0 sodium. Most baking powders, like this one, this Clabber Girl, for 1/8 teaspoon of baking powder, it's 60 milligrams of sodium.
I'll put mine back in my cupboard then. I'll just put it
no,
back in my
I'm
cupboard.
telling you, Jane.
I know, I'm just going to put it back because we're not going to use it.
6 times 8, which is 1/8, is about 480 of sodium, which you don't need if you can get the Hain Featherweight Baking Powder. If it isn't available at your grocery store.
We're not sponsored by Hain, but if there's other ones,
maybe. No. This is the only one that is sodium free. And I'm going to put a teaspoon in.
It's a lot, isn't it? Or is
No. I don't know. That's what I do.
That's great. That's great.
That's great. And then I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of vanilla in here. And I'm going to put in...
2 teaspoons of vanilla.
Yeah, I love vanilla.
I know. I got that same gene.
And to me, the best of all is the smell of vanilla. I just love.
And now
that
we're going to
smell.
zest some oranges.
And then would you zest any kind of orange zest? These are Jane's tangerines. That'll probably be nice.
Smell that. Smell that.
Ooh, nice.
That one, or this is a sumo orange.
Either one, both. You know, variety. They're all good.
We'll do a little bit of both. How much do you want?
Just lots. I mean,
just lots. Okay.
And then I am going to put in about 2/3 cup of oat milk. This nice Pacific oat milk that's shelf stable.
Any orange zest I'm doing. This is not a tangerine. This is a clementine.
Okay. And then I'm going to put in that. And then I'm going to just mix it up.
Am I done with a lot yet, or am I still making a lot?
Oh, no, I think, well, I don't care. Well, it'll be nice. It'll be a nice flavor. And then, guess what? I've stirred that up. And I'm going to simply pour that on top of my berries.
By the way, our oven is on 400 degrees for this excitement of the blueberry cherry cobbler. I like calling it berry cherry because I think maybe blackberries would work, but she said no.
Well, no, blackberries might work, but
they have to be sweet. They have to be sweet because there's no other sweetener, right?
No, there's none anywhere in this. Now, there is something I'm going to show you when we serve it.
Wait, can you see that
makes
from
a
above? How
difference.
beautiful that is?
Yeah, I can see it from the side.
Oh, it's a lunk of flour.
Oh, that's nice. I didn't do it well enough, but that's okay. Just stir it, right? Stir it.
Ribs work. I had this nice overhead shot with a big clunk of flour. Ooh.
Now, but then what I do is I cook. I make this. I have it all ready to go. I just add the milk when we're sitting down for dinner, and put it in the oven, and it's ready. Oven at 400, and it cooks about 40-45 minutes, and then it's ready for dessert, hot.
So you add the oat milk to the powder to make the batter or the topping.
Yeah.
Great. So then let's put it in for 45.
Yep.
All right. See you in about 45. Looks good. It smells amazing, doesn't it?
Oh, I just love this so much. Ah.
Okay. Whew, okay, let's let that cool back there because she has another magical step.
Well, my other magical step is that this dessert is so good hot. I mean, I just take it out of the oven and serve it. But the problem is that it really, my husband and I could eat the whole thing in one sitting.
They do.
But I also serve it for guests, and it will serve 6. But what we do that makes it so special is I make a lime mousse that you have all. I think we've done.
We
that
have a
before.
previous video. We'll post the name of the video and how to link to it because this is really easy.
But what I like to do is put the hot blueberry cherry cobbler on the plate, and then beside it in a little separate dish put the cold lime mousse. So you have a bite of the hot with the bite of the cool.
Oh, I would
So,
just combine the two.
No, Jane.
Okay.
The problem with combining them is that then it runs into it and turns into sort of liquid. So that
Yum.
this way you get that nice temperature difference.
Did you have this out for a reason?
And I have this out because this is the Morinu silken tofu that we use for the lime mousse. But
And
just
as you'll hear
make
us say
sure-
in that video, actually, that this is the key to making a great like moussey pudding texture because this is light, silken, and firm. If you don't use this kind of hey, Iron Hands, way to go. Then you will make cat litter. You'll make a chunky, clunky, weird textured thing that's not going to taste like this smooth, amazing lime mousse. All right, serve it up there, Anne. You want a hand up for that hot pot? You good?
I got tough hands.
You have really tough hands. You sure?
And because it let it sit a little, this is way better cutting than usual.
Oh, this looks good. This looks
Can't
good.
wait. Dang, you didn't pour.
Oh, I didn't know I had a job. I
That
didn't know
was
I
your
had a
job.
I'm sorry.
Here, do that.
Okay.
So look, isn't that simply amazing? I
all
mean,
right, we're gonna have Wade taste one, and then you and I can taste one. Hey, Wade, do you want to have a bite?
no. I think we need a spoon.
Okay, sorry. Spoons it is.
Don't you think?
Okay, sure. Here we go. Mm-hmm. All right, Wade. Cheers.
But this is essentially a no sugar dessert. Now, if you use the lime mousse, then there is a little maple syrup. But what we also do is you can also serve this with the banana soft serve made with the Yonana machine, and then it truly is absolutely sugar-free.
All right.
It's great. It's almost like you've got
Do
a.
I dip it?
You know what? I would have put mine on top, like
Okay,
whipped cream,
just-
but however you want, just go for it. This is really good. It's like a baked breakfast.
There's nothing to do with a baked breakfast. It's a Jane,
I'm sorry.
it's our best dessert. Holy crow.
All right.
Woo!
Enjoy yours. How is it, Wade?
It's good. It's not too sweet though. Which is
It's
good.
No.
Yeah.
I thought it was gonna be like sour, but
Oh, no.
it's good.
No, it's
Yeah.
amazingly sweet.
Yeah.
Yes. All right. Well, hey, enjoy your name it again
Blueberry cherry cobbler.
with lime mousse.
But just the cherry cobbler is great alone
Yeah.
too.
Yeah. All right. Cheers.